Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Colorful's water-cooled iGame GeForce RTX 4070 Neptune OCV graphics card. So friend, the iGame GeForce RTX 4070 Neptune OCV is equipped with 240mm radiator, which provides an all-in-one water cooling solution for the GPU, memory and power supply circuit. And friend, Colorful announced the launch of its latest water-cooled graphics card, the iGame GeForce RTX 4070 Neptune OCV. And friend, it boasts impressive specification including a 14 plus 3-phase power supply circuit, 5888 quad-cores, base clock of 1920 MHz, boost clock of 2475 MHz, memory speed of 21 Gbps, memory burst width of 192 bit, a video memory of 12 GB DDR6X, and friend, additionally it features Colorful signature 1-key OC technology that enables easy overclocking and improved performance with just a simple press of button. And friend, the graphics card designed with PCI Express 4.0 x 4 bus interface and 16 pin x 1 auxiliary power connector and with a TDP of 230 watt. And friend, it also features DisplayPort x 3 and HDMI x 1 output interface. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.